Hello, I am Ramalakshmi here. We are going to see why Python. Where you can think, no, already we are having so many programming languages, C, C++, Java, many programming languages are already available in the market. You can think, why I should go for Python, why I have to select Python as my language, So you are having so many reasons for selecting Python as your favorite programming language. So now we are going to see the advantages of Python language one by one. So first, the Python language is very simple and easy to learn and use. So anyone can learn very easily in the Python language. There is no prerequisite for learning a Python language. So it is very simple and easy to use and learn language. Then it is available on free. It's a free open source software. So anyone can download the copy of this Python any number of times. So they can share the copy with anyone then. So any number of times or many times they can download the software, Python software. So because it is open source software and then it is freely available, so you can download whenever you want and how many times you want also you can download at free of cost. And then you can modify the source code also, so it can be shareable. Okay, then another point is portability. So this Python is very portable, so it is easily go with all other operating systems, not only single operating system. So it is work with Macintosh, PlayStations, Windows, and then Solaris. So many operating systems are easily work with this Python language. So Python language is easily go with all other operating system. That is many operating system. Portability means it has to work with many operating system, not only with a single operating system. Okay, if you want to run a Python program, it should be running on a Windows machine also, not only in the Windows machine, Linux machine, Solaris machine, PlayStation and Macintosh, in other operating system also your Python program should be able to run. Okay, you are able to run your program in different operating system, means that is called portability. So Python is portable language. Then it support both the concepts, that is procedure oriented language and object oriented language. You can say Python is either procedure oriented or object oriented because it supports both the concept. Both the concepts are getting supported by our Python programming language. So it supports procedure as well as object oriented concept. Then it is extensible also. Extensible means it can call the libraries and function from other languages also. Suppose if we want to have some function from C or C++ means usually you can invoke the function. That's what it is extensible. So we can make use of the libraries and functions of some other programming language also easily. Previously it was not possible with other and old programming languages. Only in Python it is possible. It is extensibility. So easily integrate with Java and .NET components also. So this language is extended, so it is extensible with other programming languages also. Portability means it will goes with other operating system. Then extensible means it will work with other programming language also. So these are all the main advantages of Python programming language. So because of this, all these points, the Python is becoming very popular in the industry nowadays. So now we are going to see who all are using the Python. So the very big giant in the IT industries are using Python as their language for doing their main operations. For example, Google. So we have to go for Google. For what purpose we will see Google, or we will make use of Google, or we will think about Google if we want to do some sort of searching, no? Yeah, by person searching, location searching, some company searching, bank searching, anything you can search it on Google. So the Google is using Python language for its web searching. So mainly people will seek Google for web searching. No? So the web searching program is written by Python language. And then YouTube. No? Why we have to go for YouTube? YouTube means we will see videos. No? So video means obviously we will upload the video. People can upload it. Not only the uploading, people can download the video from YouTube also. No? Both uploading and downloading, and then people will share the video also. Mainly the YouTube is for video sharing. No? So YouTube is also using Python language for its video sharing software. So the video sharing programming is also written by using Python language. Then Dropbox is also using Python for its data storage. And then NASA. So NASA is a very big research company, scientific research company in USA. So the NASA is also using Python language for doing some specific sort of programming. So some doing some specific programming, the NASA company is also using Python language. So the Python language is being used by all very big giants in the IT industry. Google, YouTube, Dropbox, NASA, etc. also. Okay. So remaining thing we will see in the next video. Bye bye.